I wanted to do a quick review of the Lofree Artz keyboard. I received this keyboard about 4 days ago. I love the feel, the creaminess, and the softness of the keycaps when typing. The sound is stocky but not very loud. However, I'll be returning the keyboard as I need a full keyboard that has the numeric pad on the right or left if you're left-handed. I could not get used to using the numbers on the top of the keyboard as I need it for compliance for work. I did order the Lofree Dot Foundation with the numeric pad. We'll do a review on that as soon as I get it. Please like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Thank you.